It's great to be here. You have a wonderful team.
We do. And now you're a part of it.
Oh, God.
I love the air conditioning.
It's right at 73 degrees.
Very pleasant.
73 degrees is where you feel the most comfortable. Not too hot, but you don't need a sweater.
Did you choose the color of your own office?
It's soothing, right?
It's very calm. Nice plant.
My staff gave it to me. No reason, just to say thanks.
I've never been good at keeping orchids alive.
Oh, they just need a little sunlight. That's why I have this window.
It is a nice window.
All settled into your cubicle?
Yeah. I put up a picture of my dog.
Oh, you have a dog.
Yeah, he's this cute.
Don't ask to bring him to the office. I bring my dog, though.
I wouldn't ask.
People are complaining about you.
I've only been here for 3 days.
They say you're too talkative, too proactive. Do you know what I'm saying?
I thought that...
They say you're asking questions about policies and procedures.
I might need training and tools.
That's what I'm here for. When you have questions, you come to me.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Well, you're used to getting your way, aren't you?
Not really.
What is that?
What is what?
Do I detect an attitude?
No, I'm not, I'm
I
sorry.
will write you up for insubordination.
I've never been written up before.
I'm not going to write you up this time. Oh.
It's still unclear.
You're right underneath my wing. Right in my armpit.
I read the employee handbook.
Here, squeeze this stress ball.
Oh, that feels good. Thank you.
Now, I don't want you to collaborate, and I don't want you to delegate. Just figure it out.
I am highly motivated.
There's the budget. You're at a deficit.
I see.
Big deficit. I'm as surprised as you are.
But...
It's a hole.
I'm sure we can climb out of a hole.
Who's we? This is your hole. Oh. The hole's deeper now.
Since when?
Since I handed you the first budget, there's a revised one.
Thank you?
We've made adjustments.
Adjustments?
We've scaled it. Do you know what that means?
I know what a scale is.
Do you know what it means to scale something?
Is it getting warm in here?
You'll need to fix this.
Okay. Am I in the hole right now, or am I looking down at the hole?
Well, I took a seminar once on perspective.
That sounds nice.
The newly revised budget. It's worse. That's your fault.
Revised since...
How's the family?
Fine.
Family's important. Me time.
Yes.
I don't have me time.
I'm in a book group.
When do you have time to read?
I won't read anymore.
There's something I need you to do for me.
Oh, I replaced the toner yesterday.
It's been a bit of a week. I'm sorry to get emotional.
Do you need a Kleenex?
Yes, thank you. Close the door. No, wait, don't!
Close it, or...
Open it.
article that said a closed door is bad for morale.
People like it when the break room has those packets of spiced cider.
We already have coffee. Do you know how much that costs?
Maybe creamer. You know, some people take their coffee with...
I can't do this!
Please, don't cry.
Can I trust you? Do I have your loyalty?
Is loyalty covered in the employee handbook?
I would love to offer you some unpaid time off.
Oh, that's so generous of you.
But there's something I need you to do for me in exchange.
Ugh. Do you smell something? Maybe rotten eggs?
I don't smell anything. My sense of smell is perfect.
Maybe there's a gas leak. Should we tell them?
It would be me who you'd tell. And no, don't tell me.
Okay.
Why are you so jumpy?
I'm just super caffeinated. You know, there's no
Write
creamer
this
in.
down! No, don't!
I'm listening.
When I look at you, I see real potential.
Potential for...
I see me in you.
Gosh.
Oh, no. Oh, no. That didn't come out right. No.
I understood what you meant.
No, I mean, I see myself in you like we're cut from the same cloth. I don't literally see myself in you, you know?
Oh, I'm pretty sure that's covered in the employee handbook.
Oh, God, don't call that fucker from HR. He's a total asshole.
I mean, he seems nice enough.
Can I trust you?
I'm good at writing meeting agendas.
Can I trust you to be in my inner circle?
Oh, it feels like the ceiling is getting lower.
We're like a wolf pack. Do you know what a wolf pack is?
I've seen one on TV.
When do you have time to watch TV?
I won't watch TV.
It's like this. I'm the alpha. It's my job to dominate over all the other wolves in the pack.
The manual says I'm accruing time off?
I'm the only one that can breed.
Oh, I wasn't asking for...
And I get to eat first kills.
Okay, the walls are really closing in.
I've got my beta. He's second in command. He used to manage a subway.
That's impressive.
He's got really good ideas you should listen to. And he's there if I die.
You wanted me to do something for you? Next steps. Actionable items?
If you help me forge these documents, I'll let you chew on the deer carcass in the break room.
Thank you?
Nice gratitude. Now chin up, head down.
I'll try to reinforce this display of submission.
Even though you're the lowest priority, I'm here to support you.
I thought the floors in here were carpeted, but they're just 2x4s over raw sewage.
About that, submissive wolves relieve themselves differently from the alphas. An omega wolf, like yourself, urinates in a squatting position. I do so standing up, with my leg raised like this.
You pee in your own office?
I pee where I want! Now you keep your tail tucked, your shoulders hunched, and your head lowered as you move about with uncertainty. And if you see me in the hallway, ask about my weekend. Hi! That sort of thing. But lower your ears. Keep your tail tucked in between your legs, or depending on my mood, show your throat or groin to demonstrate subservience.
Could I please borrow a pen?
And if you step out of line, I'll just grab your muzzle with my teeth and give you a good shake. Like a mother might do to discipline her pups.
If I can act as a communal scapegoat or an outlet for frustration.
That would really help to maintain stability.